Hey, welcome to the Albuquerque gardening channel. Today we got a few things we're doing. We bought a couple apple trees, some Granny Smith apples. We're gonna plant those in the ground. We're gonna work the soil since it's all heavy clay here. Just also a little bit of cleaning up, general cleaning up. Also a shout out to Derek from Reams Nursery here in Albuquerque. He pointed me in the right direction for the trees I got, gave me a lot of good info, and we nerded out about some of these projects I've got going on. One apple tree and two apple trees. The Granny Smith apples can self-pollinate, but I was told that they definitely benefit from having a second one nearby, so we've got a second one nearby. I know these elms usually block a little bit of morning sunlight, but in this position of the yard, that's about where sunset happens in the summer and late fall. So we'll make up for the morning hours of daylight missed with the evening hours. So thanks to shoddy workmanship, this was going to be my secret cryptic pumpkin tunnel where I was going to start my pumpkins early and get it outside early, doing a giant pumpkin project. But this shoddy construction doesn't stand up to wind at all. We've had two days of strong wind come through and knock it down, so I had to put it back up and it got knocked down again. So it's warm enough here that when I start my pumpkins, I probably shouldn't have to worry about it too much. So now I'll just be kind of reframing this to hold a shade fabric for the summer. Here we've got our early spring greens and peas bed. We've got all our different bok choys planted out. Hopefully I'll start to get something from them early enough that they don't bolt on me. They tend to do that going into the spring and summer. They sense the temperature is rising and then go to seed. They're better in the fall. That is what I've read. Here's my sugar snap peas. These have been out here for about a week now. No problems handling the 25 down to 20 degree nights. We've even got our red mustard and a couple other ones back there. That stupid onion. It'll do something for us. Until then, it's kind of just a tentacle monster. Yeah, big day.